Hello, welcome back. The next problem is the logarithmic differentiation for a given function explicitly. And in this regard, the given function is 1 plus x quantity power of 1 over x. So this is a kind of function where you can't use the power rule, because if you recall power rule, the top part, the exponent, is always given as a number. So you have the inner side, as you see, 1 plus x, and the exponent here, 1 over x, both functions of x. So the power rule is going to fail to apply for this function. So we need to use the logarithmic differentiation. So we take the ln, natural logarithm of both sides of the equation, and take the derivative. So essentially it becomes ln y, which is the natural logarithm of the left-hand side, ln 1 plus x to the power of 1 over x. And we want to simplify this expression a little bit. We want to use a property of the ln function that we recall from pre-calculus. So exponents can always be pulled out. So in fact, I can sort of get rid of this power. In fact, that's the whole idea behind taking the natural logarithm of both sides. 1 over x times ln of 1 plus x. I converted this problem into an implicit differentiation problem because now the function description is provided as implicitly. And I use the guidelines for implicit differentiation, which tells us that take the derivative of the left-hand side, take the derivative of the right-hand side simultaneously, and solve the equation for y prime. So now we take the derivative of both sides of the equation. So the left-hand side is ln y. And we know from the rules of differentiation that the derivative of this ln y is just the derivative of y divided by y. And now we have the product of two functions, and we should utilize the product rule to take care of the derivative of this, which essentially states that you take the derivative of the first function, and I wrote this 1 over x in the form of x to the minus 1 so that I can use the power rule to find a derivative here. So the power rule rules that the derivative of x to the minus 1 is minus x to the minus 2. And just continue with the product rule. The derivative of this times ln of 1 plus x plus, keep the first one here and multiply it by the derivative of ln 1 plus x. But as you remember, it's the derivative of the inside divided by inside. Well, this is already 1 because the derivative of 1 plus x prime is just the derivative of 1 plus the derivative of x, which is essentially 1. So in the next step, we're going to solve for y prime, but this task is relatively easier because we already have y prime over y equals this. So all we're going to do is just to multiply both sides of the equation by y, and that's going to spit out y prime directly. So simplifying this expression and multiplying both sides by y yields this expression here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye.